today in this video you know about how many gallons of water do I need to fill 18-foot round pool, and that pool have different deep like 48-inch deep, 52-inch deep and 54-inch deep. You have to figure the amount of water required to fill 18-foot round pool at different depth of the pool. First, here we make a rough diagram to understand about the cylindrical shape round pool. This one is cylindrical shape, and this is the diameter of pool. The diameter of pool, that is 18 foot, and this one is the height of pool, that equal maybe 48-inch deep, that equal 4 foot, maybe 52-inch deep, that equal 4.33 foot, and the 54-inch deep, that equal 4.5 foot, and this space is filled with water, and you have to find out how much water is needed to fill this round pool. And this one is the base of pool, that is filled with sand material, and the formula to figure out the volume of water, formula to figure out volume of water, that is the diameter square the depth of the pool multiply by 5.9. This is simple formula to figure out required volume of water to fill this round pool. Now first we calculate the gallons of water at 4 foot deep, at 48-inch deep. The volume of water, that equal the diameter square, that is 18 multiply 18, the depth of the pool, that is 4 foot, multiply the factor, that is 5.9. Now the volume of water after multiplication, this will come about 7646 gallons. It means you need about 7646 gallons of water to fill 18-foot round pool at 48-inch deep. And now calculate the volume of water at 52-inch deep. The volume of water required is equal as the diameter square, that is 18 foot multiply 18 foot multiply the depth of pool, that is 4.33, and the factor, that is 5.9, and after multiplication this will come about 8278 gallons of water. And now calculate the water quantity at 54-inch deep. Now at 54-inch deep, the volume of water needed is equal as the diameter square 18 multiply 18 multiply the depth, that is 4.5 multiply 5.9, and after multiplication this will come about 8602 gallons of water. And this is simple calculation to figure out the gallons of water required to fill 18-foot round pool at different depth of the pool. Thank you.